Zoom like a sniper, snap like a pro. Panasonic LUMIX FZ80K will make your phone camera cry. Ever tried photographing the moon and ended up with a blurry glow that could be a street lamp? Yeah, not with this beast. The Panasonic LUMIX 4K FZ80K is a pocket-sized sniper rifle for photographers, packing a jaw-dropping 60x zoom lens, 20 to 1200 mm, and buttery-smooth Power O.I.S stabilization. Whether you're shooting a lion from 300 feet or your kid's toothless smile at the park, this 18.1 MP CMOS sensor grabs every detail with clarity so sharp, it could cut glass. The f2.8 to 5.9 aperture isn't just jargon, it's your golden ticket to dreamy depth of field, even in dim lighting. Let's talk video. Or more accurately, 4K Ultra HD sorcery. This camera doesn't just record, it captures memories at 30 frames per second, letting you cherry-pick that perfect split second from a video with 4K photo mode. Blink and you missed it moments? Not anymore. Got regret after hitting the shutter? No sweat, post-focus and focus stacking let you tweak focus points after the shot. Yep, shoot now, adjust later. This is the kind of magic your phone wishes it could do, and spoiler, it can't. Need tech that actually travels well? The FZ80K checks all the boxes. With USB charging, Wi-Fi connectivity, and RAW plus JPEG support, this cam plays nice with your devices and doesn't suck the life out of your packing space. The 3-inch touch-enabled LCD stays crisp in sunlight, and the 170K Viewfinder brings scenes to life before you even snap. Think of it as your high-def third eye. Also, ring mount compatible. Translation? Accessory paradise. Compared to other long-zoom cameras, the FZ80K punches way above its price tag. Most budget zoom cams compromise on image clarity or stabilization, this one doesn't. And DSLR snobs, watch your backs, this lightweight warrior can go places your gear bag can't. Its 14-element, 12-group lens structure? Pro-level optics in a point-and-shoot package. You're essentially getting Hollywood-grade visual storytelling gear for the price of a fancy dinner date. So why cough up cash for this camera? Easy, because it saves you time, money, and sanity. No more missed moments, clunky DSLRs, or potato-quality smartphone pics. It's tested, tech-packed, travel-ready, and tough. Whether you're chasing wildlife, your kids, or your dreams of going viral on TikTok with insane zoom shots, this is the camera that gets you there. The Panasonic LUMIX FZ80K doesn't just capture photos, it captures respect. Now go make some memories, legend.